Hi, hello, I'm Yoshitaka. How are you? Oh, sick. Oh my god. Please take care. Okay, so today I explain to you Japanese onomatopoeia. ZahZah. Do you know ZahZah? ZahZah is a raining sound. Very rushing, very drumming rain. So pouring down very heavily. The sound is ZahZah. So pita pata, or rushing, drumming rain. It's ZahZah. 電車を降りたら雨がザーザー降っていた。電車を降りたら雨がザーザー降っていた。I got off the train. It was pouring. 傘を持っていなかったのでずぶ濡れになった。傘を持っていなかったのでずぶ濡れになった。傘を持っていなかったのでずぶ濡れになった。傘を持っていなかったのでずぶ濡れになった。I had no umbrella. I was soaked to the bone. So that situation is ZahZah. Very heavily raining, so drumming rain, downpouring. So very old expression. You can say raining cats and dogs. That situation is ZahZah. Okay, do you remember it? Okay, see you. That's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.